Here's Hendrix says to kick in when he's getting his diaper changed. Yeah, you're all going all over the place, aren't you, Heidi? Hi, Gabe. Careful you don't hit him on the head with that. Can you say hi? Hi. Hendrix is looking at you. Hendrix, where are you going? Are you trying to roll over under your tummy? Hendrix, what you doing there, buddy? Are you trying to see Gabe? You sure lifting your bed up. Yeah, you sure lifting your bed up. Hendrix. He's got eyes only for you, Gabe. He's looking at you. Can you talk to him? Say hi, Hendrix. Hi, buddy. Hi, buddy. How are you? How are you? Goody goo. Goody goo.